Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name's Ryan. Today we're doing a 50-yard ammo test with Lapua Pistol OSP, Olympic Sport Pistol. Clearly, this is not a pistol. Just see how it does. We have a mild wind, under 5 miles an hour from left to right. And I'm going to try to only use one part of the target, shoot around the box, 10 in the middle, and then we're going to do our normal test that includes 40 shots. All the data from the magneto speed will be displayed at the end of the video, and we'll see what we can do with this stuff. $15.99 a box, so it's not the most expensive Lapua I can get anyways. Not too bad at all. Okay, let's get to shooting. First shot, I'm just going to shoot for the middle. I think this is a bit slower ammo. It is rated at about 850 feet per second or so. So let's see what we can get out of it here. So my 10 fouling shots will be at the center. Red square. So we're a little high. Tiny bit left. Looks pretty good. Come down 1/2 mil. We'll go right 1/10. I think I'm losing it, guys. Can't count to 10 anymore. Anyways, top left corner of the target for 5 shots. Hopefully I can keep count this time. This stuff is pretty wicked. Pretty much 2 one-hole groups now, and one of them was on the fouling group, so top right for 5 more. Another one-hole group. Bottom right. One got away from me. Man. One more bottom left. That stuff is amazing. So we have 10 more bullets for our last 10 round group. Just kind of want to let you guys know too, I started a Rumble account, so I'm going to do more like how I set my rifles up, adding stuff, taking stuff off, DIYs, gunsmithing stuff. So can't do that on YouTube, so I'm going to do it over on Rumble. If you guys want to check that out, subscribe. It's still Brotuned over there as well. And basically all my videos from YouTube are going to go over to Rumble as well. But I'm still going to run both accounts, just that there's going to be more behind the scenes stuff on Rumble and more hands-on, kind of how I do it. Just so you guys know, go check me out on Rumble too. Okay, our 10-shot group. For 10, here we go. There we have it. This stuff performs extremely, extremely well. I'm going to probably have to get more of this stuff because it's really good, and we'll test it out at 100, and then we'll test it at 200. I might even start testing out at 300 here soon, just to see what does what at what range. So anyways, thanks for spending your time with me today, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please comment, and if you're not subscribed already, get down there and subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming out, and mostly every Sunday at 9, and if I have anything extra, it'll be Wednesday at 9. So here's the chronograph data up now. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll check you next time. Have a great one, guys. Take care.